Welcome back to the GitHub Copilot UBB video series, brought to you by Canarys. In the previous module, we learned how prompt and context engineering help optimize AI credit usage by reducing unnecessary context, writing precise prompts, and following efficient development practices. In this module, we'll look at another way to improve efficiency / commands. Instead of writing lengthy prompts for common development tasks, / commands provide predefined actions that help you explain code, generate tests, create documentation, fix issues, and perform many other tasks more quickly and consistently. We'll mainly explore how choosing the right / command and using it with the proper scope can reduce unnecessary AI credit consumption while improving developer productivity. Let's begin by understanding what / commands are and when you should use them. Although / commands make common development tasks much faster, they don't all consume AI credits in the same way. The amount of AI credits used depends on both the context sent to the model and, more importantly, the amount of content the command generates. Commands like /explain usually produce concise explanations, making them moderate in AI credit usage. Commands such as /fix may generate code changes and therefore vary depending on the complexity of the request. On the other hand, commands like /tests and /doc typically generate large amounts of code or documentation, making them the most AI credit intensive. Let's start by looking at the two most used commands, /explain and /fix, and how to use them efficiently. Let's begin with the two /commands you'll probably use most often, /explain and /fix. /explain is designed to help you understand existing code. Since it generates descriptive text instead of large amounts of code, its AI credit usage is generally moderate. To keep it efficient, select only the function or code block you want to understand rather than an entire file or module. /fix helps identify and resolve issues in your code. Its AI credit usage depends on the complexity of the problem and the amount of context required. Simple, localized issues usually require fewer AI credits, while problems spanning multiple files or requiring architectural understanding naturally consume more. For both commands, the same best practice applies: provide only the context needed for the task, and a well-scoped requests produce better responses, reduce unnecessary AI credit consumption, and make Copilot more effective. Now, let's look at two commands that typically generate much larger responses, /tests and /doc. /tests and /doc. These are two of the most powerful / commands, but they also tend to generate the largest responses and therefore consume more AI credits. /tests creates unit tests, which often include multiple test cases, assertions, and supporting code. Similarly, /doc generates descriptive documentation or inline comments for the selected code. The larger the code selection, the more content Copilot needs to generate. The best practice is to use these commands incrementally. Generate tests or documentation for a single function or a focused section of code instead of an entire module or project. This keeps AI credit usage predictable while still delivering high-quality results. We have reached to an end of this video. In the next module, we'll focus on agent mode from a usage-based billing perspective. We'll discuss when agent mode is the right choice, when it isn't, and how to use it efficiently to maximize productivity without unnecessarily increasing AI credit consumption. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.